Rain tapped against the dusty window as Evelyn wiped grime from the old typewriter in her attic. She'd inherited it from her grandfather, a detective known for chasing shadows and solving cold cases. As she pressed a key, the carriage jerked unexpectedly. Startled, she stepped back. The machine trembled, then began typing on its own. Letters clicked rhythmically, forming words. June 17th, alley, midnight. Evelyn's pulse quickened. She watched as the keys clattered, spelling out a confession. I saw the man in the hat. He dropped the locket. The message continued, revealing details of a decades-old crime. A missing necklace, a silent witness, a name, M. Hargrove. She hurried to her grandfather's old files, rifling through yellowed papers until she found a faded newspaper clipping about an unsolved theft. The locket had never been recovered. The typewriter typed one last sentence. Look beneath the floorboards. Heart pounding, Evelyn pried up the boards beneath the desk. There, wrapped in a yellowed handkerchief, was the missing locket. The typewriter's carriage stilled, its secrets finally spoken, the past at last laid to rest.